The SlimLite 6 versus the SlimLite 8. Both of them share the KC DNA of slim housing, powerful beams, built for adventure, but size and output sets them apart. My name is Jacob. Welcome back to another video. The SlimLite 6's size allows it to be a bit more versatile with the mounting. So if you need something a little bit smaller, a tighter spot to be filled, the SlimLite 6 can be for you. However, if you need something big and bold with a ton of output and you have the room for it, the SlimLite 8 is a bar none option. Both lights pack upgraded performance. The SlimLite 6 delivers serious brightness in a small form factor. The SlimLite 8 takes it further with wider coverage and maximum output. So here we have one of our employee, Nick's vehicle. This is his Ford Bronco. He actually was able to mount both the SlimLite 8 and the SlimLite 6 into one spot. What's neat about this configuration is because he was able to mount so many in two different series of lights, what he can actually do is mix and match with accessories. So with the SlimLite line, we have a vast variety of accessories, from covers to stone guards to vinyl covers. You're able to really customize the output and what you're trying to accomplish with your lights. So by him running two different sets of lights, he can actually run the 2 center as yellow or the 2 center as amber, or route them to his high beam so we can get some of that on-road experience with the driving beam covers. So this is a great option if you want a little bit of both worlds. If you want to see more content on the SlimLite 6 or the SlimLite 8, we actually made 2 dedicated videos. You can find them down in the description to find more about those lights. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, or as always, please reach out to our customer experience team. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.